First mover Asia. Bitcoin finds firm footing above $42,000. Good morning. Hey Race, what's happening? Market moves. Bitcoin stabilized above $42,000, although investors continue to monitor tensions on the Ukraine border and inflationary data. Technicians take BTC upside appears limited as buyers lose momentum. Catch the latest episodes of CoinDesk TV for insightful interviews with crypto industry leaders and analysis. Bitcoin, $42,727 plus 1.1%. Ether, $2,941 plus 2.1%. Top gainers. Top losers. SP 500, 4,401 to 0.3%. Nasdaq, 13,790. Gold, $1,871 plus 0.7%. After dropping sharply Friday, Bitcoin found firm footing in the $42,000 to $43,000 range during U.S. trading hours as investors continued to hold their breath about a potential Russian invasion of Ukraine, particularly the implications for the global energy supply. At the time of publication, the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was trading just below $42,800, up slightly over the last 24 hours. Ether, the second largest crypto by market cap, was trading at above $2,900, up more than 2% over the same time period. Major altcoins were mostly in the red. Trading was light. Crypto's performance largely mirrored prices on major equity exchanges. The tech-focused Nasdaq composite was flat, the first trading day after it dropped more than 2% on Friday. The SP 500 and DJIA were off slightly. Moya noted that crypto prices appears to be stabilizing despite rising U.S. Treasury bond yield. Bitcoin has weathered the regulatory storm and China exit, Moya said. There's a strong belief that Bitcoin is going to do well in a gradually increasing treasury yield environment. If tensions on the Ukrainian border decrease in the days ahead, Moya said investors will focus on U.S. economic data. He said that Tuesday's Producer Price Index report, the average change in the selling prices received by domestic producers for their goods and services, will be closely watched as a window on inflationary trend. Bitcoin weighed down by $46,000 resistance, support at $35,000 to $40,000. Bitcoin was roughly flat over the weekend as price momentum continued to slow. The cryptocurrency remains stuck below the $46,000 resistance level, although lower support at $35,000 and $40,000 could stabilize pullbacks over the short term. The 50-day moving average was unable to demonstrate a positive slope over the past week, indicating continued selling strength. Indicators also approached overbought territory, which typically precede pullbacks in price, consistent with the downtrend since November. For now, BTC upside appears to be limited as momentum signals remain negative on weekly and monthly charts. Bitcoin was trading around $42,000 at press time and is down 3% over the past week. Australia Housing Industry Association new home sales 12:30 p.m. Hong Kong time/Singapore time. Japan capacity utilization 12:30 p.m. Hong Kong time/Singapore time. Japan industrial production 4 p.m. Hong Kong time/Singapore time. Spain Consumer Price Index 6 p.m. Hong Kong time/Singapore time. Eurostat employment change. In case you missed it, here is the most recent episode of First Mover on CoinDesk TV. Crypto goes mainstream at 2022 Super Bowl. U.S. figure skating team launches partnership to accept crypto donations. Bitcoin holds above $41,000. First Mover hosts spoke with Adweek consumer goods reporter Paul Hiebert to review the crypto ads at the 2022 Super Bowl. Mark Clerkin of CoinList shared his crypto markets analysis. Knierim, 2018 Olympic bronze medalist, and James Lawrence, Injivan co-founder, shared details of the partnership with the U.S. figure skating team to enable crypto donations. Singapore state investment fund Temasek eliminates position in Coinbase. The investment giant previously held about 8,168 shares in the U.S.-listed crypto exchange. Market wrap. Bitcoin range-bound as traders hedge risks. Macroeconomic uncertainty and Russia-Ukraine tensions have kept investors on edge. Crypto funds saw fourth week of inflows as Ether funds turned around. Some $75 million went into digital asset funds last week as Ether funds saw their first inflows in 10 weeks. Russia-affiliated addresses received 74% of ransomware revenue last year. Chainalysis. Moscow city firms received as much as 48% of their crypto from illicit addresses. Animoca brands and Brinc launched $30 million guild program for play-to-earn ecosystems. The effort is aimed at enabling users globally to generate income from play-to-earn games via Crypto Gaming Guild. BlockFi will pay $100 million in settlement with SEC, state regulators over high-yield accounts. Report, the company has been under investigation since at least November over the lending product, which offers yields as high as 9.5%. Soccer fans need better than NFTs. While ticket prices go up and up, Europe's soccer clubs peddle the questionable notion of interaction through fan tokens. Today's Crypto Explainer. Crypto Trading 101, Stochastic Oscillators and Price Momentum. Other voices. Is the Web3 gold rush the beginning of a new internet or a scam? After evaluating dozens of protocols, I believe that the most desirable form of defensibility is usefulness that cannot be easily forked by a competitive project. Crypto enthusiasts rejoiced, predicting imminent mainstream adoption. Everyone else cringed. Football, supposedly the sport of the working class, appears to have lost its soul. As The Atlantic recently reported, when the aforementioned fan token platform Socios collaborated with Crystal Palace FC, a London-based Premier League club, fans showed up to a game with a banner reading, "Morally bankrupt parasites Socios not welcome." In a statement, Ken Paxton said the company's capture of facial geometry in photographs that users uploaded from 2010 to late last year resulted in tens of millions of violations of Texas law.